Many of today's young lawyers get trained in mediation and negotiation skills, and that's fantastic. But think for a moment, what do you do with them right now as you start your career? If you're from any of the countries I know, you're probably not going to make a living being a mediator right from the start. More likely, you will start your journey in a law firm or maybe in an in-house disputes team. And what will you do to help advance your career ladder there? What makes you invaluable to your boss and to your future clients? Dispute management. Assisting cases to make sure they follow the best dispute resolution strategy, helping them to get to a solution that meets their underlying interest, framing the dispute, early case assessment, decision strategies, acting as an advocate in the mediation. So make sure you see the bigger picture and focus on what's going to be the most valuable skill that you can bring in to enhance your future career.